Hello and welcome to Japan's Tech Career Home. In this video, I'm going to talk about why Japan's tech industry is actively seeking for engineers and what skill, mindset, and preparation you need to succeed in this growing market. If you've ever dreamed of working in Japan, or if you're curious about what kind of opportunities are emerging due to Japan's labor shortage, this video will help you understand the landscape and more importantly where you might fit in. This channel introduces excellent but recently companies in Japan. We also share insights on trends, industry analysis, and cultural aspects related to relocating to Japan for work. Let's start with the big picture. Japan is facing a curious labor shortage. It's not a sudden problem, it's been developing for years due to two major factors: a declining birth rate and rapidly aging population. According to a 2023 report, over 52% of companies across all industry in Japan reported they don't have enough workers. That's already a huge number. Even more concerning, the number of business going bankrupt due to labor shortage jumped from 118 in 2021 to 260 in 2023. Now, while this might sound alarming, it actually represents an opportunity for international professionals like you. Why is this happening now? And why is it so urgent? One major reason is digital transformation, commonly referred to in Japan as DX. The government and companies alike are realizing that they must modernize. It's too late. From outdated systems that still rely on paper or fax machines to a need for cloud computing, AI, and automation, Japan has a long way to go, but it knows it needs help to go there, and that's where skilled international engineers come in. Many Japanese companies are no longer just looking for loyal employees to train over decades. They're now seeking experienced professionals who can bring in new ideas, lead teams, and help implement cutting-edge technologies. So what skills are most in demand? Let's break it down. Python, backend development, machine learning and AI engineering, DevOps and infrastructure, UI UX design, especially bilingual designers. In addition, technical skills, soft skills are extremely important. Communication, leadership, and cooperation are frequently cited by Japanese employees as a key differentiators. One recruiter even says that good communication is often more valued than poor coding ability. So if you're a senior developer who knows how to work with stakeholders, explain decisions clearly, and support teammates, Japan wants you. Now let's talk about Japanese language skills. Do you need to speak Japanese to get a job in Japan? The honest answer is it demands. There are a growing number of companies, especially in Tokyo and among startups, that hire developers who don't speak Japanese. Platforms like TokyoDev and JapanDev list jobs that are fully English friendly. But here's the catch. If you want to grow your career long term, if you want to move into leadership or work in companies outside of Tokyo, learning Japanese will give you huge advantages. Most people working in Japanese companies do communication in Japanese. Without it, there's often a natural ceiling to how far you can advance. Think of Japanese not as a requirement but as a multiplier. It increases your options and your impact. Another trend worth watching is the rise of multinational development teams. Companies like Cybers and Manifold are making big moves to create work environment where English is a standard. Giver is also bringing diverse engineering teams, and this is a positive step, but it also comes with challenges like how to align company culture, close languages, and locations. The Sage Japan's visa process for international workers is surprisingly straightforward. There are no country quotas like in the US. The fees are low, and companies can sponsor engineers very easy. What's more important is how you communicate your intention. Recruiters, hiring managers want to know why Japan, why now. The candidates who do best are the ones who have a story. They are learning Japanese, they visited Japan, where they admire the country's culture and safety. So let's recap. Japan's aging population and shrinking workforce are creating a real and growing need for international tech talent. But it's not just any developers they're looking for. The most successful candidates are senior level developers, skilled in Python, backend, AI, machine learning, DevOps, etc., etc., strong communicators, and team players willing to learn Japanese or already studying it. If that sounds like you, this is your moment. As Japan Tech Career Hub, our mission is to support international engineers who want to build a career in Japan. We share hiring trends, language resources, and partial tips to help you take the next step. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments what your biggest question about working in Japan. See you in the next video. Bye.